Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to delete an Instagram story. It's pretty easy and I'm going to make the test to show you how to do it. So first of all, I'm going to create my story. So here I have right now one story. So once you have published that picture in your story, you're going to click on more at the bottom of your screen. And the first option is delete. It's also in red color. And obviously you must click on delete again to confirm that you want to delete this photo. And in that way you have been deleted your Instagram story. Remember that if perhaps you're sharing this story with another social media as Facebook, you must go to your Facebook account and delete your story from that social media, okay? So it's pretty the same. You must open your story, click on more, and then on delete.